2019 Dodge, sorry, 2013 Dodge Dart. I'm installing back the timing chain, the tensioner and the guide. So I already adjust back the tensioner. I already put the chain, but now I'm gonna align the chain. I put back the first tensioner, and this one gonna be the last tensioner when you get the lining, when you line up everything. Okay, so there's okay, you can see here there's two mark on the chain. All right, this is the chain. I installed the first guide, and this is your two chain. This is your exhaust, and here you say intake, so you know that this is good. So they make it simple. So they have a orange, two orange, and you have a yellow. The yellow go on the crankshaft, and you have the two line up two mark here that's going to be lined together when it's fixed. So you have a little dot here. That's where this chain goes inside. Okay, this chain go in here, and then the second dot is here, but this have to adjust. It's not fully adjust, and this chain is gonna come. This yellow mark is gonna come to this dot here. Okay, and then you're gonna put it back like that. So this one is not line up. So we can go ahead and align that. Because this one is gonna be keep coming back this way because the depends on the valve where the valve is, so we just have to turn it, okay, until we get it in the mark here. All right, and then what you're gonna do at this time, you're gonna put this is the guide on the top. You're gonna put back this guide here. It's gonna prevent it from coming out. And it's very important that you get the timing mark lined up properly, because the car will shake, and you don't want to go back there to do this job here when you put back everything. There's a lot of stuff left to put back here. Alright. So I already lined up the mark at the bottom. I'm going to show you how I do that. Bring it the camera down. Okay, you can see this yellow mark. This yellow mark, it goes with the dot on the crank. Alright, this is the chain guide here. And I put this paper so the chain wouldn't drop down. It's always gonna stay inside. I do this with every car that I do timing belt. I always put something between the oil pan and whether it's a belt or a chain, so that it doesn't fall down, so it's not gonna come out of place. Alright, so that's a little trick there. Okay, and that's it. So now all I have to do is to go up there, turn the pulley, get the stiffness on the chain, and then I'm going to install my guide, and then I'm going to install my my tensioner. All right. Okay, so this is the tensioner for the top. Okay, so what is this one? Only bolt on the top, and it swings. Okay, so because this reason for this, so when the tensioner is bolted on the car and you release take out the pin here, this will, you have a spring loaded in there too. It's work with oil, and you have a spring that pushes out this piston out, and this piston will come and it will push this to put tension on the chain. All right, so this is going to put tension on your chain, and that's it. And then you have a groove here that the chain don't slip out. All right, so it helps. Okay, so for us to get this in now, I will have to put tension. I will have to put the chain up like this. All right, so I'm gonna adjust the face so I can get some clearance there. Okay, and then I just have to pull the chain in. Put the chain on the guide. Okay. And there, if you could see here, you could see these two marks here. They are lined up. All right, so that's going to tell you that the timing is good. Okay, so we have some tension on the chain. Okay, so it didn't come back, it didn't move very far. All right, so now we're going to tie that up. Very important that you tie it right away, that you don't forget to tie that bolt. You don't want nothing come loose. Okay. And now we're going to go underneath. We're going to connect our tensioner. I'm going to put it here so I can, if I need some more adjustment, I can use it while I'm under there. All right. Tensioner, so now the chain, you can see it have a stiffness to it. So everything is good. Chain is in the groove, and that's it. So now I'm just going to show you underneath when the tensioner is on how it's look. So you have an idea what's happening there. this is what's happening here. So this is the tensioner here, the one I just installed. Alright, so you can see here the guide here, but this is blocking here. You can see the guide, this one goes all the way on top, and the chain is here. I remove my paper. Okay, and there's a next tensioner here. This one is for the oil pump with the next chain here. See, there's a next chain here. This one, the oil pump that pumps the oil through the engine. Alright, and you crank pulley go here, and that's it. All I have to do now is to clean up here, take out all the old silicone here, and then to put back the side cover. Alright, and that's it. So this is the side cover. Let's go there, but when you put it in, make sure there's a seal here. Don't make the seal get damaged when it goes on the crank journal. So I'll have to clean up all the silicone on this side too, and replace silicone. And then this one, it goes like this here. Alright, then goes like this. And then you have the and this is the valve cover. This is the gasket here, it's still good, so we're gonna be using back this here. All I have to do is to remove the one that's stuck there. These are soft. When they're hard and they're brittle, then you have to change it because they hard to the temperature of the engine. The rubber get dry, so it doesn't seal properly. And then you're gonna have a leak. Right, so replace this. We have one more. Okay, so basically this just goes on the top like this. Close the engine, and then these are all your pipes that goes around, and all your wiring harness that's connect back to a lot of wiring, plug, and that's it. So that's the basic of changing a head gasket or a timing chain, whichever one, whichever job you're doing. So subscribe to my channel for more interesting video like this, and I hope this video can help you for someone who want to do a job like this. It's a very, I wouldn't say difficult, but a job that you make sure you have enough time on your hand to do it. And it's the technical stuff. Like, you see what I did? I didn't take out the intake, because the intake, if you don't know how to loose it, it's going to take you a lot of time to get to the intake, plus to put it back. You're going to waste a lot of time to remove the intake. So the best thing is just release the two screws under the intake. That's hold it to the engine, and then you remove the intake with the head together. And you just disconnect the exhaust manifold, and that's it. And then you have to put back all your coil in each cylinder. Alright, connect your wiring, and that's about it. Alright, so I hope this video, so subscribe to my channel for more interesting video, and have a good day. Bye.